Hello. Today is November 3rd, 2019. 30 years ago, I installed this Stanley Lightmaker garage door opener. Now, I understand that Stanley exited the garage door opener business in 1996, but even so, I was able to get replacement parts for this opener, including just recently this replacement remote control, which I will use now to close this door. Now I'll open it back up. So that's my Stanley Lightmaker garage door opener, still in good working conditions 30 years ago after I got it. Thank you for watching this video.